Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Channel benda buat diamlah. You channel is so
Korang ni bising lah.
The shafts or bearing journals are put into a machine which form the axis on which the flywheel will spin.
Kau kenapa kau aku ni? Kau kenapa kau 12 tu
Journal to a specified size and shape.
Hari apa kau nama? Dede.
Once complete, the flywheel is balanced.
Jam tu tau.
A state-of-the-art
Kau satu jam je.
IDs exactly which spots need adjustment. Highly trained technicians carefully grind
Guys,
out
guys,
small
kita
quantities
YouTube
of
ni
steel
buat
to
ni.
the identified spots before putting the object through more tests.
Bakar dah. Kami bakar
Tolerance of just a fraction of an ounce.
Ambil bakar sate mi, bakar sate mi.
Of dust can
Nampak aku bakar habis. Ini tak basah tapi.
locate this aluminum cast hemisphere so that a machine can begin processing it. The hemisphere will form one half of the enclosure that will house
Tinggal
the flywheel.
cuap
It
tu.
must be a precision machine
Aman, aman.
so that it can form a perfect airtight seal. Made of aluminum.
Aman, aman nak tengok. Aman.
The airtight
Man,
enclosure
jangan ni.
is one of the crucial elements of
Man.
the gyroscope. Once it's completely sealed, all the air will be vacuumed out and helium will be pumped in. Because helium is so much lighter than air, the flywheel will be able to spin much faster due to radically diminished friction. Machining with horizontal and vertical CNC tools and a vertical grinder brings the bearing housing within reach of the required parameters. A technician attaches the vacuum valves, which will allow air to be removed from the enclosure. Then he installs some of the sensors that carefully monitor the gyroscope status. He applies a specified torque to tighten the component in place. A generous amount of grease is applied to the large O-ring that fits perfectly into a groove in the lip of one hemisphere. The O-ring will ensure a vacuum-tight seal when the two hemispheres of the enclosure come together. These heavy-duty eye bolts form an attachment point for lifting, which helps move the gyroscope in and out of position. Once everything has been put together, the technician connects the flywheel to the enclosure. He begins bolting an inner and outer set of retainer rings in place. These rings will support the flywheel assembly. Faster spinning in its vacuum containment will allow the gyroscope to achieve the same stabilizing effect as a much larger, heavier flywheel spinning at a slower speed. The technician joins the subassembly to the second hemisphere, carefully lifting and lowering it into place before bolting the enclosure securely together. But the gyroscope stabilizer isn't done yet. It still needs to be mounted to a specialized foundation assembly.
Ibu tadi ada
Early
vlog
attempts to use gyroscopes for stabilizing boats weren't successful because the gyroscopes were too big and heavy. But thanks to some state-of-the-art technical innovations, a new breed of lighter, smaller gyroscopes can easily keep a boat deck steady, even in rough weather. The technician uses a specialized device to measure three important factors of the flywheel's performance: concentricity, eccentricity, and clearance. This means he's checking to see if the component is spinning smoothly and consistently without any wobbling. He spins the flywheel slowly on its axis, evaluating the meter accordingly.
Yeah. Blocks,
The gimbal shaft will allow the sphere to tilt back and forth, stabilizing the boat. A technician installs a set of steel dowel pins that will hold the brake cylinders in place. He uses a press to install the spherical bearing in urethane that will permit the sphere to shift its axial rotation and absorb vibration. With the bearing and protector in place, he mounts the gimbal shaft securely to the gyroscope enclosure. A total of 10 heavy-duty bolts are tightened to
Amen.
specified
Don't touch
torque
the
value.
button itu dia tu besen. I don't touch the button dia banyak kali.
Next, the technician installs the cover and bolts it in place, sealing the enclosure and fully rounding out its exterior. Once the valve is installed, he checks for leaks by spraying
Don't
helium
touch
outside
the
of the enclosure.
And choose the back flap.
This meter will register the presence of helium if the lightweight gas sneaks in through any cracks. This magnetically mounted sensor will allow the technician
Why
to
is
conduct
that?
final trim balance,
Why is that?
ensuring a
Why is that?
vibration-free operation. It's vital to keep vibration to a minimum to make sure that the gyroscope provides a smooth, stable boat ride. Now it's time to attach the cooling components.